All right, welcome back. We're going to make this spiky thingy. Actually, that's what we are actually naming this. So, I'm going to call this thing spiky thingy. All right, we're going to make this. Going to learn how to do some lofting, some mirroring, and working with some planes. All right, here we go. Start 2D sketch. File, new, and in.ipt. There we go. All right, hit Start 2D Sketch. Press XY, and there we go. All right, so we're going to start by doing a rectangle. Click here in the middle, 2 by 2, so 2, tab 2. Make it really easy on you this time. All right, 2 by 2. Got it? Good. Finish sketch. This time we're going to do an extrusion a little differently than we've done in the past. So choose Extrude, but this time I want you to look at your extrusion properties and pick symmetric. Symmetric. It's this one right here. Make sure you see that, symmetric. This will be really important later on. Okay? So just do that, press OK. Got that done? Good job. All right. So we're going to click on the front of this now, and we're going to go to the very right side. We see those 5 icons and go Create Sketch. Okay? So then we're going to click Rectangle. We're going to click this dot right here. And you're going to bring it out, and this is going to be 1 by 1. So 1 tab 1. And then press Enter. Got that done? Press Finish Sketch. Now, we're not going to extrude this. Sorry, I'm on the phone with something right now, and so I'm multitasking this. Let me turn that down some. All right. Love being on hold. Okay, So now we're going to go to Plane Offset. Okay, so Plane from Offset. Click this, and it's going to give me an arrow going this way. I want to go 1 up. Let's go make this really simple. So this is a plane that like we can work off of now. Once you do that, you have to click the edge of this. Okay, don't click the middle because nothing's going to happen. Click on the edge of this, and you'll get 2 icons. I want the one that says Create Sketch. If you're struggling with that, you also can right-click on it and go Create Sketch too. Okay, so here's next. I want you to go Point. Dump a point somewhere right here in the middle. But I want to make sure this is put in the right spot. The only way to do that is to hit Dimension. You're going to click this dot here. Click the little point you made and bring it out to the left. Click here and type 0.5. So I want this thing to be centered. Hit on Dimension again. Click the dot. Click this dot. Bring it up. Click. Type 0.5. Press your Finish Sketch button. Okay. Next, we're going to do something called a loft. So click Loft. You're going to click the square right here. Then you're going to click this dot right there. And press OK. And look at that. You made a little pyramid there. So this thing is now finished. So I want to turn this thing off so I don't see it anymore. So if you right-click on this, there's a visibility button. Uncheck that, please. Okay, so next we're going to do a series of mirroring. Okay. Hit Plane up here at the top of your screen. Now this one, I want you to hit this side here. Now you have to shift and scroll, so hold Shift and scroll and move your mouse, and click the other side there so you get one right down the middle. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side too. So I'm going to do top, and I'm going to do bottom, because it doesn't really matter which order we get. When you do that, what happens is it makes a plane that's right down the middle on both sides, which is what we're doing. Okay, looking at my screen, I want you to hit Mirror. The quick command for Mirror is Control-Shift-M. Okay. But I'm just going to click the icon up here, click that. Here's what you're going to do. You can either do one or two things. One, you can go to your project browser and click the word Loft, or click on the pyramid itself. Click Mirror Plane. Now, click here towards the bottom because I want this plane right here, and you see it gives a preview. Press OK. Do it again. Hit Mirror. Click on these. Make sure you click both of them. If you click the mirror, it'll automatically choose both. If you click the left one first, you'll have to choose the other one. Not a big deal either way. Choose Mirror Plane. Choose the other plane. Press that. You get a preview. Press OK. You're done. Okay. Now, so we don't have to deal with all these planes. We also can click over here and right click and uncheck your visibility too. Now those are going away. So how do you get these on the other side? Well, you're obviously going to do a mirror. In this case, I want you to hit plus on the origin and scroll down here, and you should have an XY plane that's right through the middle of your surface. That's why when you extruded it, you did the symmetric thing. So I'm going to click on XY, right click, and go visibility so I can utilize this. Your last step is to hit mirror. You're going to click these, hit mirror plane, choose the middle, press OK, and guess what? You got spiky things all over the place. You are done with this little tutorial. So File, Save As. Please save this as your last name, spiky thing. And go ahead and upload this to Classroom. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye.